Hello. Today we're going to draw and color a very special teacher, the incredible LOL teacher. And grab your colors, because this drawing has a magical surprise at the end you won't want to miss. Let's get started.
Once upon a doodle.
Okay, let's get started. We'll start by drawing with a pencil, because it's easier to correct if we make a mistake. We will start by drawing his eyes, and we will also draw glasses after drawing his eyes. Then we draw the nose and the mouth. Once this is done, we draw the outline of his face, and thus his head is formed. We also make the eyebrows, and draw the hair and 2 circular buns. And in each bun, we will make some bows. Like this, the way I'm drawing it. We continue with his body. The teacher will be wearing a shirt with a tie and a plaid skirt. We'll also draw the arms, one raised and the other at the side of the body, just like I've drawn them. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe. Now we'll draw her legs. They'll be wearing tights and sneakers with all the details. What do you think she's wearing? Tights with sneakers? Or little boots? It is now ready to be highlighted with a fiber, and we will use 2 different thicknesses. While we're at it, I'll tell you, LOL dolls started out as dolls with fun, elegant outfits, long, colorful hair, and lots of accessories to play with. LOL dolls came in mysterious, circular packaging, making opening them a pleasant experience. Over time, they gained popularity, and today they have their own songs and TV cartoons. Ready, now we can color. We will start with the blue-green color for the eyes, and the bows that are in the hair above the buns. We continue with light orange for all skin tones. The drawing is turning out great, don't you think so? Then give us a like. The hair and eyebrows will be burgundy. The mouth is pink, and with the gray color, we paint on a part of the stockings. In the checkered skirt, we will use light blue, then a light blue, and finally a darker blue. The shoes, the tie, the frame of the glasses, and the inside of his eyes will be black. Sectors of the sneakers, socks, and shirt, we will leave white. Beautiful. And so we have this awesome drawing. Now that you've done it, let's move on to another drawing. I'll be waiting for you on my channel for your next masterpiece.